god, guys, I fucking love this car. Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT here. This morning, we're finally going for that nice drive. I'm gonna take you guys along and give you my first impressions after getting the Mustang, how I feel about the way it drives, how it shifts, all that stuff. I know a lot of you guys are curious and interested in this car and how it's like to own one. So I figured today we will give you a little bit of a heads up of you know, how it is to be behind the wheel of the 2019 Mustang GT. And to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and take the car on a little bit of a canyon drive. Nothing too crazy though, because the car is still within the braking period. Now for 2019, the Mustang got the rev match feature. So what that means is every time you downshift, if you have the rev match on, it'll automatically, you know, blip the throttle for you, so you get like nice clean downshifts. And that has been probably the most fun feature of the car, especially if you drive manual, stuff like that. Give this thing a try. It's a lot of fun with the rev match. I know Corvettes had it, and now that the Mustang does, it is a ton of fun, especially when you know, you're about to race or something. You just start dropping gears, and the moment, you know, the car senses you're about to go into that lower gear, it'll just automatically give you a perfect rev match. So I'll show you guys once we're kind of on the canyons how it all works. And we got a cop. Thankfully, he's not turning around. Oh, another cop. There's a lot of cops this morning, so that means we got to be extra careful. So guys, when I wanted a manual, this is what I pictured right here. This type of road, not much traffic, smooth, you know, sailing, and just being behind the wheel of a stick car and just being able to downshift and go. Now granted, I'm not where I need to be just yet in terms of the road. We're still heading there, but man, I can already tell you it's gonna be so much fun. I don't even have to get there to just tell you this car is gonna be an absolute blast. Getting tossed around on the turns right now, this is gonna be so much fun. And I just wanted to give a quick shout out to everyone that has been subscribing and showing love on the videos. I just checked the stats before I recorded this video, and there's a ton of you guys that are joining the channel, subscribing and leaving a lot of nice comments. And honestly, I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome for that. And you know, I was kind of nervous about getting this car and introducing it on my channel, but you guys are making me so comfortable, and you're making it so much fun. So I really appreciate you all for the warm welcome. So check this out. This thing rips. This thing absolutely rips. I went a little over the 5,000 RPM shift mark, but man, that was fun. That was fun. I just didn't want to be around behind a Prius anymore. And we were nowhere near red lines. I can't even imagine once we get higher up in the RPM range how this thing feels. Alrighty guys, we have clear open road. I need a radar detector, but that's not gonna stop us from having a little bit of fun this morning. But let me know your radar detector recommendations down in the comments below. I really need a radar detector, especially with this car. What a gorgeous morning, guys. Check out this beautiful road. I am absolutely in love with this morning, this road, and this car. So here it is. Now the fun begins. Let's make sure our seatbelt's nice and tight. Make sure that there's no cops watching me do this. I'm not gonna go that fast, actually. I told you guys I can't really go that fast. I don't have a choice. The car's not broken in, and I don't want that engine tick that you guys are scaring me about in the comments. And let's hope we don't lose a shift for while we're up here as well. That will be nice. god, guys, I fucking love this car. Wow, I am honestly amazed. This thing loves corners. This car absolutely loves corners. What a ride, oh my god. I am so fucking shocked right now. That felt so good. Like way too good to be true. I was just literally like the smallest steering wheel input. It was just riding the corners like it's nothing. What a ride, what a ride. You know, the SRT, it drives well in the canyons. It's not bad, especially in track mode. I mean, it firms up and it takes the corners, but this thing is just a total different animal. It definitely feels a lot lighter, a lot more nimble, and it doesn't really fight you because you don't have that weight. So, it does not fight you at all. And now we get to do it all over again on the way back. Alrighty guys, so I don't want to bore you, but I ended up going back and forth down this windy road about 3 to 4 times because I was so excited about how nice the Mustang was driving. And it looked a lot more fun while I was there, so I don't want to bore you with too much footage of me driving and shifting gears, but definitely very, very good time behind the wheel. I rambled on quite a bit in this portion of the video, but I totally enjoyed that first canyon drive so very much. Get too rowdy this morning, but man, oh man, this thing just wants to go, and I totally want to just give it the sauce, but I can't. I gotta hold back. I have to hold back, guys. Unfortunately, car is not broken in just yet. This has got to be the most fun I've had in a car in a long time. Oh my god, this was getting the manual was the best decision that I've ever made. Literally the best decision. And look at it, it's motor tube. What's up, motor tube?
What's up, Rush 5.0, Rush, what's your name? I'm sorry. You're kind of confusing me there.
I'm still trying to figure that out as well. My identity is confused at the moment.
Fuel Rush.
No, we decided against that.
Hey, the LGBT community will for sure accept you.
By the way, I'm recording this, just so you know. Alrighty guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really wanted to just give you guys my kind of first impressions of the car, and to summarize everything up, I absolutely love the way this thing drives on the canyons, and I'm super happy I ended up with the manual and not the automatic. Reason being, it's just a whole other experience in the mountains or in the canyons when you have a manual, and the rev match made it so much more fun than I could have ever possibly imagined. You know, just downshifting and smacking gears as you hear that V8 noise behind you. There's nothing like it. And I've driven a lot of automatic cars. Nothing came close to the experience I had today, and the car's not broken in. So I don't even know how crazy this thing's gonna be once we have it fully broken in and I have all the work that I want done to it. So it's gonna be quite the journey. So I'm really excited, and I'm happy that so many of you guys are subscribing and showing love to the channel. We've gained a lot of subscribers over the past couple of days, and I hope we keep this momentum so I can keep bringing you guys awesome content every single day. So my name is Rush, I'm in my GT, and that is effectively the end of today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.